Hello, in this video we're looking at time with at, on and in. So I'll see you at 7 time, or I'll see you on May the 3rd date, or I'll see you in 2016, a year. Hope you enjoy it. Now I'm going to write up the three words. I'll put at over here, at, and then on in the middle and in on the right. And now we've got three drawings. Here's the first one for at. Here we go. Okay, you can see that's a clock. That's a clock. Okay, now we'll go on to on. This is a page from a calendar, May the 3rd. And finally, the last one, we'll go on to in. Yes, you've guessed it, it's the Olympic rings, and I'll just write London up here and Rio. Now let's go back to at, and I'll start off by writing in the time at 9 o'clock. Well, it's more like 9:05 really, but never mind. Here's another one, at noon, and another one I'll write in at 2:10. We have another video, by the way, on telling the time, and at midnight. And that's at. At is about clock time. Now let's move on to on, which is about days and dates. First of all, days, I'll just write on Monday there, on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, and dates, on the 3rd. You could write on the 3rd, or you could write on the 3rd of May. There are two ways of doing it. And the next one, on your birthday. On your birthday. And the last one I'm going to write on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day. Before we move on to in, I'd like to go back to at and just remind ourselves that at is a moment in time. On is more like a little block of time, a day or a date. But in is a bit different. In is a period of time within which something happens. So our first example, the Olympic Games, were held in London in 2012 and are to be held in Rio in 2016. Now I said the period of time could be long or short, and I'll just write here in the morning, could be afternoon or evening, and I'll write again another one in the day. I'll come back to that later. And here's a slightly longer period of time in the week, and a little bit longer still, another one in June, could be in summer or in winter. Now there are one or two exceptions to this. I've said in the week, which is right, but actually if it's the weekend, we say something different. I'll write here on the weekend, on the weekend. And over on the right I said in the day, but for some reason we say at night. I'll just write here at night. And finally, over on the right, we said in the morning, but if you qualified that, you would say on. So on a summer evening. In the evening, but on a summer evening. So we've looked at with time, and don't forget at night. We've looked at on with days and dates, and don't forget on the weekend and on a summer evening. And we've looked at in for periods of time. So now is the time for a little test to see if you've learnt that. So first of all, I'm going to rub all this out. Here we go, I'll just rub it all out. Then I'll put the word test up there at the top. Then I'll write in the three options you've got, at, on or in. And you've got to choose one of them and complete each sentence. Here's the first sentence. She's going to Madrid, September. At, on or in. Make your choice. Oops, sorry. No, that's not right. You'll have to try again. Yes, good. I'll just write the answer in. And here's the next one. The movie begins 6:35 p.m. At, on or in. No, sorry, you're unlucky. Click here to try again. Yes, well done. I'll just write the answer in there. And here's the next one. I'll see you Monday. Make your choice. Click on the word you think. Whoops-a-daisy. Sorry, no, that doesn't work. Click here to try again. Yes, good. I'll just write the answer in there. And here's the next one. There's a TV show called The Sky Night. Make your choice. At, on or in. Nope, sorry, unlucky. Click here to try again. Yes, well done, that's right. I'll just write the answer in there. At. And the next one, it's nice to stay at home. Winter evenings. Think about that. Decide which is the correct answer. Whoops, sorry, no, unlucky. Click here to try again. Yes, well done. I'll just write the answer in there. And you have finished. Now that you've finished the test, ask yourself this question. How many did I get right first time? You can watch again, now or later. You can take the test again, now or later. Or, if you're ready, you can try something different. And whatever you choose to do, keep a record. It really does make a difference. That's all. Bye for now.